Okay, I'm going to do solution of triangles with distances, which is trilateration. And all I've done is I've just put a grid. So I'm going to go from station D to an object and then from B to an object. You can write them all down. And you can rewrite this to make it so it doesn't look so clustered. If you do it tabular, then at least you've got checks and know your work. Alright. Okay, I've done the first one, so I'll get D to the IC of 12.70 and then B to the IC is 3.71. And continue doing that down. You can do it from other stations, so you can do it from as many stations as you want. But what it will do is it'll hold the thing rigid and you'll end up with a good quality survey because you've proven everything. But there will be plenty of redundancy, so if your chaining offset works well, this may not be required, or if you use this you may not need that, but it does help you avoid an error, writing things down that you're not really sure what it means and missing details. So if you do it as two separate exercises, you shouldn't go far wrong. Okay, so this is to B to the manhole centre of the IC, I keep calling it manhole, and it's 3.7, so it's just 7.1, I think I booked it down as. And then on this side, from there, come up to here, it's 12.7. Alright, and I'll do the two ends of the gate posts, that point over there which was 0.20, and then that point there which was 0.0. And that's all I'm going to do. I'm only going to do half a dozen things. As I said, I've written them all down in tabular form, and what I'm going to do is take a photo of this booking sheet and then you can see how it all fits together. Okay, cheers. So to grid corner 0.20, I've got it from station D and station B, and it comes out as 10.21 and 19.29. Okay, and again it's on the booking board. Again from the right hand side of the gate, from station D and station B, and I've got 13.23 and 13.44. Alright. Okay, this is the left hand side of the so-called gate post, so from station D and from station B. And we have dimensions of 16.55 from D, can't see that, so pull it tight, 16.55, and from B it's 13.54. Alright, and there's my booking board. Okay, so now I'm going to do the last intersection point with this grid. Okay, so that's me done them all. I could do a lot more, but at least you get the gist of it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, clear everything away. I'll process the survey data that I had, that I took with the total station, put that in the AutoCAD drawing, and I'll take all the rest of the data and I'll write on the dimensions that we've got for everything. So that's for the 3 hair area and the chaining offset and the trilateration, and put them actual dimensions on it, and I'll put them in separate layers so you know how it, and then you can compare to see how it all fits together. But basically that is the practical side of collecting data. So earlier I showed you how to set out a level grid and level it, and then fix it by basic means, and then fix it with a little bit more sophisticated means. And then we've done it the sort of, I would say, long-winded way, but it's just as accurate, and you can get quicker and quicker. And as I said, the right angle bit using your arms is quite useful. and you can end up with very good results. So persevere, and thank you for your time, and we'll talk to you later. Cheers now.